Hello everyone, this is Sir King, your computer teacher. Gumagamit ka ba ng beep card kapag sasakay ka ng MRT, LRT, or bus? Alamin natin kung paano gumagana ang beep card mo. Tara! Your beep card is an example of RFID. Now, RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification. Now, inside your beep card, there is an antenna coil where it sends and receives data. And then, inside, there is a chip where it contains the identification. It is a series of numbers and letters na identification ng card mo. Now, itong identification na to ang binabasa doon sa counter kapag magbabayad ka, and also ito ding identification na to ang tinitingnan kapag ikaw ay papasok at lalabas ng any stations ng MRT. Ngayon, paano ba gumagana at paano natatandaan ng card mo kung saan ka pumasok at saan ka lalabas na station at paano din nagbabawas ng pera ang iyong beep card? Yan ang sasabihin natin sa ating part 2 ng ating video. Kaya follow for more!